Beanstox app pricing explained what you get for your money. Beanstox is an automated investing platform that focuses on helping users build diversified portfolios effortlessly. Most people think investing apps are expensive, but Beanstox offers transparent pricing with options for every investor. The app has a free version that allows users to explore portfolio recommendations, track performance, and access basic financial education. For full automated investing, Beanstox charges per month for its starter plan, which includes automated rebalancing, tax-efficient investing, and portfolio optimization. The Pro plan is per month and unlocks additional features such as priority support, advanced reporting, and personalized investment insights. There are no hidden trading fees, making it ideal for investors who want simplicity and transparency. The surprising truth is that Beanstox empowers beginners to start investing with small amounts while leveraging professional strategies. Even at low monthly costs, users can benefit from automated diversification and risk management tools. In conclusion, Beanstox pricing is simple, affordable, and designed to deliver value. By selecting the plan that fits your needs, you can grow your wealth efficiently and confidently.